Right guys, it's the EdShed Carpet Fest. Now, we have been doing carpets, and obviously this, yeah, I know, I was going to say, yeah, why are you doing the carpets when the car looks so rough? Because I can. Now, let's get around here, and we'll have a look inside. Obviously we have some bits of trim that are sort of, I don't know what they need. They need pulling forward so they can get them in, we get them in properly. But look, carpentry, carpets are in, we have carpet. We got door panels next, which are in the shed. We need to put the mirror back on, and yeah, she's ready for action. She's ready to go down the road again. Well, she is ready to go down the road again. She's fine actually, so yeah. There's a few things that they'll need. We have got a bit of issues in places, but nothing major. But some of the, I don't know, some of these bits of door rubber aren't exactly much bloody use for some reason. Oh, we got plenty of door rubber, so we're going to find some more. We'll probably do that again when I get around here. We need, what else do we need? We need something on that centre, that bloody steering wheel is what we need. Yeah, that's another steering wheel. That was nasty as well. She needs a wash, I know. Wash is needed. But obviously, it's sort of little jobs like that. I bet that strip goes on here, because look, it's got the length, yes. Okay, so that was not playing properly either. But it's sort of all the things that, you know, you just sometimes it's too much, okay? This, not bad. This is all good. Although we have got a crack bit in there, because I think I hit it when I was beating the bonnet around a bit, so that'll have to be redone. On the whole, with a damn good wash and a couple of aerosol cans of, I don't know, silver, she could be looking the business, couldn't she? Yeah. I like it. What do they say? I like it. Not a lot. Yeah, I do actually. I like it a lot. So yeah, another one that's going to be very expensive to run thanks to the oil profit barons. But yeah. So it's just all the little finishing off things. But we keep banging away at them. Then they gradually one day they'll give up. Now obviously there's the weather being like this. There is this issue now that perhaps we can maybe do some paintwork. So I've got to go and try and sort the Range Rover radiator out, which is what I'm going to do. Oh, it's got a chrome trim on there. I didn't notice that. Of course it did. But anyway, so I'm going to sort out the Range Rover, and that is going to be the next thing that I've done. And then I will go, hopefully I can then get the shed open, and I can have a go at the back bumper, which is going to need serious structural repair. Ah, it's nasty. The back bumper's as nasty as the front. Sorry, anyway. That was it. But yeah, door trims are in on the house, but they haven't been started yet. But they will be. I think it's because I ran out of glue, if I remember rightly. So we're going to sort of come into that. So I'm going to just stop you there and say, hey, that was an interesting one. If you like watching this dribble, please like and subscribe. If you don't like watching it, don't watch, because it gets worse. Oh, much worse. And as I said before, yeah, I think it looks great. I still don't know what all that is. Oh, it's the central lock-in. Did we put central lock-in in here? Yeah. Yeah, we did. We haven't connected up yet. Oh, right, okay, so we've got a central lock-in. And it's a shame that we can't get that bit stitched back up. I can have a go at that, maybe. I don't know. You just want somebody with who can hand the sew. I do know somebody who can do that, actually. Anyway. Oh, God, we have got central lock-in. Well, that's pretty good. Is that on that fob thing? Well, there you go. Hey, she's going to be centrally locked. Let's just hope she don't centrally lock herself up and we can't get in the bugger. Anyway, so, going to turn you off there. Thanks for watching. See you later. And remember, time's precious. Waste it wisely.